Good morning from Castrojeriz. Today I am walking to the town of Fromista. It's quite a big place and it's a 25-kilometre walk today. It's 8 degrees and hopefully only a high of 21, so again very good walking conditions for a Kiwi. It was nearly a 1.5 kilometre walk out of town, past the castle on the hill, past the skull and crossbones on the walls, and then through the shops and arcades as the path snaked around the base of the hill. Past the parish church at the other end of town. I'd been staying in the shadow of the parish church that was at the other end of town. It is Tuesday the 17th of September today, day 17 of my walk. We are heading up the hill you can see in the distance. By reputation, this hill has one of the best views looking back from where you've come and looking forward to where you're going. I'm ready to do battle with the hill. Checklist: tie the world's shortest ponytail, check. Put on the lip balm, check. Have a drink of water, check. Blow my nose, check. Get out a lozenge because I'm going to have a very dry mouth as I huff and puff up that hill. To the top. I'm still in one piece. The foot is still in one piece. So it's not happy with that upward position. But from here, it's all down. So, having got to the top, I thought we would be looking over the other side, so we've seen where we've come from, but in fact there's a plateau at the top, so at some point we will probably go down, but not yet. And this is the view on the other side. Warning, the gradient going down is steeper than the gradient coming up. We have walked, how many kilometres have we walked, Stefan? 9.5 today. Did you hear that Afrikaans accent? I am walking with Stefan and we have been writing the wrongs of the world, and we're in a gorgeous landscape here and we are heading to some little village that I don't know the name of for coffee. But look at that, haystacks, golden stubble in the fields. There's a flash past Stefan. He's no longer totally anonymous. Oh, here comes the name. There you go. That's where the coffee is waiting. But before coffee, we stopped at the Ermita San Nicolas, which is an albergue that dates back to the 13th century. So pilgrims have been staying here for hundreds of years. Then another pre-coffee distraction, a drone that actually scared the living daylights out of us because it was so huge, but it was actually spraying crops. Coffee time! Woohoo! I've been transplanted back home. There's a barbecue happening. The fields that we're walking past now are quite green. Have been for a while. We think it's too soon. And the past fields of spinach as well. It was so windy that at Boadilla del Camino, the stork's nests had blown off the church roof. We are walking beside a canal. It's gorgeous. I want to know where the canal boat is, because I'd like to catch it. The wind is absolutely roaring. I'd be very surprised if you can hear this. It's a lock. Look at that. Just around the corner was Fromista and Hotel San Martin, which was my place of rest for the night. I walked 27.5 kilometres today and it was too far. 24 kilometres is my absolute maximum, and I was totally exhausted at the end of the day. But I survived the day because of Stefan. Stefan walked every step with me today. He made me laugh. We talked, we solved the problems of the world, we solved our own problems, and walking with Stefan was an absolute blessing.